Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can come up with viral TikTok ideas to make videos from, okay? And the secret of success is that you don't go on TikTok to look for these ideas. You are going on Pinterest. We're going on Pinterest and then you go on the lower left corner. You're going to see there is a small magnifying glass. And then you go on the search bar and you're gonna type TikTok video ideas, okay? And this is where you're going to find everything that you want to be focusing on. If you look at the top, you have the small categories, right, for different niches where you can gain inspiration, right? Also, you can scroll down and look for a particular type of content that is similar to what you really want to do, right? There are people who are doing a lifestyle videos. There are people who are doing like educational videos, people who are doing review videos, and all these are ideas for you. And you can see that some of the videos actually get much more engagement. This video on the left like has 400 likes versus some other videos they don't have any, but it still can generate a good ideas over here and see what people like and what people simply don't interact with. This is the pro tip, because everyone else will be looking for TikTok ideas on TikTok. You're gonna be looking for TikTok ideas on Pinterest. This is what gonna give you this leverage. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.